A Darling Library tutorial. How to find articles of primary research in ProQuest Education Collection database. We start our search at the library's homepage. Go to library.hiu.edu or look at the library link in Canvas. Click the box labeled A to Z database link. Select Education from the Subject dropdown. This will limit to only our education databases. The top box is a list of our best bets. Be sure to read the database descriptions. Pick the database to meet your needs. For this assignment, select ProQuest Education Collection. You may have to sign in before getting to the database itself. You sign in with your HIU digital account. You could try performing a keyword search, but that is not the most efficient way. A better way is to search with subject headings. To find the subject headings, click Thesaurus. Most databases have a thesaurus, though it might be called an index. Pick the ERIC thesaurus. ERIC is a government-operated database and the premier education database. After graduation, you will continue to have access to ERIC, just not through ProQuest. Here is where you enter your main search term. If nothing comes up, try switching from contains words to begins with. For this assignment, start with research methodology as your first subject. That will help ensure that you are dealing with a research article. When you click on a word, you will often see a brief definition and other options. Those other options may be more appropriate. Don't be afraid to click on them as well. Tick the box in front of each term you wish to add. You should change the operator from or to and. That will help narrow your results. Once you have the right term, click Add to Search. You can add another subject heading or a keyword into the second search box. Emotional intelligence was added as a second subject heading. You can also add terms on your own without using the thesaurus. If you add your own terms, you can change the drop-down yourself. You could use the filters before the search, but I find it beneficial to see what is getting eliminated. This is the results list. Filters are on the left. Total number of results are also on the left. Here the peer-reviewed filter was added. That reduced the number of matching articles. Now the scholarly journals filter was added, again reducing the number of articles. It is often a good idea to limit results to those that are current. Limiting to the last 10 years, again, reduces the number of articles. The other filters are further down the left-hand side. Document type will help eliminate some inappropriate material, like book reviews. Click the More to see all the options. You can include some types and exclude others. When in doubt, I recommend you include it. The location limiter can be tricky. I don't use the exclude on this one. Sometimes when you exclude one location, other articles are eliminated. That happens because the article was probably comparing two or more locations. After all the filters are used, you will have what is left. What's left should be the material you are looking for. For graduate work, I like a list between 100 and 300 articles. That way, I feel like I have options to choose from. This was a bad search in my opinion. Notice that all of the articles have an abstract available. All of our articles also have the PDF available. That is not the case all the time. Often, articles are listed, but not available in this particular database. In those cases, it will read Get Full Text. It may be in one of our other databases. In either case, just click the title of the article to get to the item page. While looking at the abstract, you will also notice other subjects. You may find that some of them are better for your research than some that you used. You can always search again with the new terms. If a PDF was available, it would be found in the upper left corner. This is what that page would look like if a PDF was available. It can be downloaded from here. In this case, there is no PDF. In this case, we look to the upper right and click Check for Full Text. In this case, there are links to the article. A PDF is available from the journal, or the full text could be found in two places. This is the screen if it only says Get Full Text and there are no other links. We can still get the article, it just may take a few days. Just click Request the item through Interlibrary Loan and fill out the form. Back on the item page, you can use the citation feature, available in most of our electronic resources. Here it is set to APA 7th edition. More of our tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel. Just search for HIU Library.